Hi guys, it's Gaz here. Welcome to the Gazworld channel. I'm here at Harley World in Chesterfield, Derbyshire in the UK. I'm just doing a walk around review on this stunning Harley Davidson Road Glide in colour bronze armour. This particular bike has got smoked satin finishes in this colour combo, also known as the Screaming Eagle. This is the biggest engine that they do, which is a 1923cc Milwaukee 8 117 V-twin engine. It produces 105 brake horsepower at 5,250 RPM. It's got 125 pound of torque at 3,500 RPM. As you can see, I like to use my 4K camera and get in so you guys can see in detail about the bike. There you've got your 6-speed gearbox with heel changer. I'll just show you the ground clearance. The ground clearance is 125 millimeters. Some nice detail and stitching on that leather seat with the Cvo logo. This bike's in the showroom at Harley World. That's your 12-volt cigarette lighter plug-in. Obviously you can see the windscreen don't get fitted until it's sold, which is like a smoked black screen. Dual LED headlights. The front suspension forks are 49mm. That's your Fang front spoiler. Front brakes. All the brakes all round, a 4-piston ABS dual disc, size of 300mm. A 21-inch front wheel, 18-inch rear wheel with gloss black, with chrome spokes. As you can see, there's plenty of detail there. Screaming Eagle badge. The rear shock is a low hand adjustable suspension. Nice air filter. You got your side panniers, what come as standard in the bronze armour colour. As you can see, you've got a 4-speaker system. You've got a seat height of 680mm. That's your petrol tank. It's got a fuel capacity 22.7 litres, and this bike does approximately 39 miles to the gallon. Nice Harley Davidson badge. The audio is powered by Rockford fostgate. That's the speakers, two up front, two at back. It's an awesome bike. We've got a full colour TFT digital screen at 165mm. You've got a wet weight of 390 kilograms. The overall length of this bike is 2460mm. If you like motorcycles in general, this is the channel for you, so please subscribe. I'll be doing plenty of reviews in the future on all brands. The price on this road glide is £39,395 on the road. I just want to thank Harley World and Harley Davidson UK for letting me film this bike in the showroom. If you want this bike or more info, then contact the sales team. I will drop the link in the website with the description. Proper beast of a bike. Like I say, to contact the sales team. Hope you enjoyed the video. I've been Gazworld. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.